Yo, what's up, I'm Renz Davis. Welcome to the first Bartend with Renz. Now, full disclaimer, you should not be drinking alcohol unless you are the appropriate age in the United States of America. That would be 21 plus. If you are in Europe, just follow your rules, drink responsibly. That's the important thing. But for this episode, I did a little bit of a, I went on a limb. I kind of just, I'm playing around with it. I'm diversifying. So the first drink I made was with my favorite Raze energy drink, which was Raze Voodoo. It's kind of an orange creamsicle taste. Very delightful. Highly recommend it. And then I also thought, man, what was my favorite alcohol when I was growing up? Well, not growing up. Mom, if you're watching, I only started drinking this when I turned 21, I promise. It was Southern Comfort. It was a delightful apricot flavored liqueur, or a spirit, or whatever you want to call it, but damn was it good. And my goodness, did I just think, a little splash of orange juice, I think I got myself a drink. Slice of orange, boom, we have ourselves the Nawlins Mamosa, aka the Papa Shango tribute to WWF, WWE fame. Oh, damn, that is a classy one right there. Very delightful, not too harsh, very smooth. Like it, love it, want more of it. But without further ado, let's commence. So, mise en place. I have all my ingredients laid out in front of me. I have the blood orange, my chef's knife. I have the Raze Voodoo, my orange juice, which I got from a local market basket to be more precise. I have my Southern Comfort, 70 proof. You can use whatever proof you would like. I have my light up goblet, and then I have my Dynex measuring cup. So we start with our Raze Voodoo. We're going to pour in about 8 ounces. I find 8 to be the magic number. Got ourselves almost there. There's the halfway. Oh my goodness. Oh god. It's almost there. Oh, 8 ounces on the dot. Maybe a little over. I could be wrong. Sometimes measuring is more of an art than it is a science. Now we're going to get ready to add our 2 ounces of orange juice. Ooh, I love how that just lights it up. Now I did go a little bit over, not a big deal. It happens. And then last but not least, our piece de resistance, our Southern Comfort. Yes, I got a little overzealous and I tried flashing it in front of the camera. I'm still learning. Don't hate a bartender, that's just still learning. And now we pour our drink. Beautiful. Now what I really like about this particular combination is it adds like a very nice little amber color to the orange. Because what's ultra delightful about all the Raze drinks is its transparency and crystal just like clarity. It pours very nicely, very like it's like crystal. And now, last but not least, I forgot to cut this first. I should have done that first, but I like cutting things in general, so it wasn't a big deal. Now we cut our blood orange, making it look real nice and cosmetic. Ah, my hand is in the way. Look at that veiny son of a gun. Not a big deal, right? And then I add a little like slice on that orange, just so it lays nice on the glass. There's my goblet. Here we go, guys. Moment of truth. Oh my goodness, is that magic or what? That is magic right there. Salut, monsieur et mademoiselle. Then we pop our garnish in, and that, I tell you what, is a wrap. Music to my ears. Well, actually, it's the sweet sound of my silky smooth Killa Vanilla voice through this Blue Yeti microphone into these headphones. Kaboom. Ta-da! But yes, that right there is the Nawlins Mamosa, aka Papa Shango. Liked it, loved it, wanted more of it, which is why this is my second cup. It pays off to use only 8 ounces in the first take, right? Now that is a good cocktail right there. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to include a picture of the next Bartend with Renz. It's going to have the featured ingredient of Raze Apollo and a few other ingredients. I would like you guys to tell me what you think the name of that one should be, because crowd participation is always part of the fun. But more importantly, down below I have a link in the description that you can save yourself 15% on a case of Raze Energy. Just go to that link, use the promo code RENZEnergy, and boom, you can get yourself 15% off of a case of your choosing. There's Voodoo, which is orange flavored. There's Apollo, which is rocket pop. There's Baja Lime, which is, well, lime flavored. But more importantly, the newest flavor, South Beach, which is kind of a delight. I don't want to spoil it for you. I want you to find out on your own. Eventually, I'm going to do a flavor review on South Beach because it is oh so delight, without fright, the best can design I have seen yet. Not knocking Voodoo, but hey, you know, you gotta knock something a little bit, right? But anyway, thank you all for watching, travel safely, and rock on.